Hello and welcome to all participants in Python programming. Today in this lecture we will see input method. What is input method? In every language we want or take the values from the user. In C language there is a scanf function to take the input from the user. In C++, cin method available. Like that, in Python also input method is available. Python allows for user to input different types of values, integer, float, string from user. That means we are able to ask the user to give some input. In Python 3.8, that is simply called as Python 3, and in Python 2, input methods are somewhat different. In Python 3.8 uses the input method and Python 2 uses raw underscore input methods. That means these method names are different in Python 2 and Python 3. But today onwards we will see Python 3.8, so we use input method. Input methods return type is string. For example, here input, that is method name, in parenthesis give whatever message you want to display on the text mode window or console, that is enter your first name, and after that cursor is blinking to take the input from the user, and that input is of type string and saved into fname variable, and the fname variable's data type is automatically decided by the Python environment, which is of type string, and then print your first name. So guys, let's check on our IDE. So this is your PyCharm IDE. Right click on your project and create new Python file and give the name to this new Python file as a input1.py. .py extension is automatically added. Okay, so after entering input1.py, okay, so take one name, for example fname, that is the name, variable name. Then what is the input method name? Input. To take the input from the user, in double quotes write enter your first name. After that print the name. Okay, so name colon, after name colon write fname. Okay, so just check guys what it gives. So right click on this and run input1.py file. So here enter your first name and cursor is blinking to take the value for the first name. Suppose I am giving value as a Amol and press enter. So what is the name given is a Amol. So guys, this is all about input method. But what is the return type of the input? Input returns string. If you want to check the what is the type of that fname variable, so just print, then type method is available and give the name of the variable. What is the name of the variable? Fname. So check the type. So how to again run it, so it gives you type. So enter name, suppose I am giving value as Amol, that is my first name, then name, and what is the data type of that fname? So data type of the fname is a class, and class name is a str, that is string type. This is how to take input from the user. So let's move on. If you want to take number values from the user, then use typecasting methods such as input, okay, enter your first name, and then you can typecast into whatever data type you want. If int, you can use the integer as a method to typecast string into int. Float, these are the different methods available. Input, enter your second number, enter your first number, like this. Okay, so see, a plus b, that is addition of a and b, and it is saved into c and display the c. Okay, so that means take the values, two values from the user, and then add it and display on the console. So guys, let's check if it works or not using our IDE. So open PyCharm again, then create new file, new Python file, give the name as a input to, press enter. Okay, so this is, so first take one variable a is equal to, what is method, input, then write enter any value or enter first value. This is our first statement. After that, b is equal to input, enter second value. Okay, after that take one c as a variable, a plus b. Okay, so add two variables a and b and print it. Print c is equal to comma c. So guys, let's check what is the output. Right click, run input to file. So it gives you enter first value, I have to enter 11, enter second value 22, and what is the result? Yeah, it gives you c is equal to 11, 22. Okay, so it is not performed addition of a and b, but it is concatenation of the two string, because initially a and b of type string. Here input methods return type is string, so a and b are string, so a plus b, here it makes plus operator works as a concatenation operator, so concat a and b and save that result into c variable. So it gives you 11, 22 as a output. But guys, we want to add two numbers, so what to do? So typecast int. What is the typecasting method? Int, to convert string into integer. Which method is used? Int method is used. Similarly, int for convert b string into integer. Okay, so after converting it, it works. Just let's check, run it again. So first enter the value 11, second enter the value 22, and what is the result? Okay, it gives you correct result, that is c is equal to 33. That means it works properly. Yes guys, but if I'm giving semicolon, instead of that if we give plus, so what happens? Let's check, run it. Value 11, then gives the value 22. Oh, what happens? Guys, somewhat error, that is of class type error. And what is the message? Can only concat string, not int to string. That means c is of type int and c is equal to, in double quotes, is a c, it is a string. We cannot add string with int using plus operator. It gives you syntactical error. That's why, what is the another way? Another way is what? You can use comma operator instead of that. So in using that, run it again. So what it gives you? 11, 22. Okay, so it gives you c is equal to 33 as the output. Okay guys, so let's move on the next. Okay, so here int method is used for typecast string into integer. Similarly, float, string, these are the typecasting methods available in Python. Now I hope you are enjoying and watching these videos. If you have any problem, then let me know in chat window or comment box. Now let's move to the another point, how to take multiple inputs from the user in a single statement. Guys, we know in C language, using scanf function, we can scan multiple values from the user in a single statement using %d, %s, %f as a format specifiers. In C++ also, using scene, we can scan multiple values at a time using one single scene statement. Yeah, is it possible in Python? Yes, in Python also it is possible. So in Python, take input using input method which returns string. We know that. Then use split method which splits that string into multiple strings as shown below. So what is the syntax? Same input method, enter any two values, dot split method which split the string into two, x and y. But while entering the string, you can give space or tab between. You can don't give enter key, otherwise it gives you error, guys. We will check it using PyCharm IDE. Here values of x and y are of type string initially, but guys, we want to convert it into integer, then typecast x and y into integer using int method. Okay, x and y we want to convert it. Okay, let's move on to your IDE and check it. So guys, we can convert this same program into addition of two numbers but use single input method. So how to convert it? So first, what we have to do, we have to remove both, then delete it. Okay, so input, enter two values. What is the message? Enter two values. Next, how many values we want to catch? Two. So a comma b, these are the two values. Okay, next, this input method returns string, to you want to split it, so use split method. Okay, so split method splits the given string into two different string a and b, result is saved. So after that, add these two string and give the same result. So guys, check it whether it works or not. Run. Okay, so what is the message? Enter two string. So if I want to enter 22, 11 and press enter, so what happens? Okay, so there is one value error, not enough values to unpack, because we have to give two different values. Split method split the string, total string into two, but due to what enter, there is no space between or tab between two that string, so it gives you that type of error. So again, run it, enter two values, now 11 space 22 and press enter. So now what happens? 11 is taken, saved into a variable, 22 is assigned to b variable, addition of a plus b, it gives you. But guys, a and b are of type string and plus operator concat these two strings, so 11, 22, as a result it gives displayed. Now what we want to do, we want to convert a into what? Int. So give a, initially it is of type string, then b, int, b is initially of type string, convert it into integer. Now what happens? A is converted into a as an integer type, b is converted into b as an integer type, then add c, a into b and then run it. Okay, now let's check whether it works or not. So guys, enter two values, 11 space 22, enter. So what happens? It gives you result 33. That means it works properly. Now this is all about input method, how to take single input from the user using input method, as well as how to typecast it into int float using input method. Also in a single input method, how we can take the multiple values from the user. Guys, I hope you are enjoying watching these videos. If you have any problems, let me know and write the query in comment box or chat box. Thank you for watching the videos.